Good morning to all dear students. Okay, today we are going to start with a new topic that is Ampere's law. Okay, हम Ampere's law आज डिस्कस करेंगे. So Ampere's law क्या है बोल के. Okay, तो Ampere's law there is alternative method. Okay, so in which we can find out open surface of magnetic field. If you consider any surface, we can find out magnetic field. Okay, so what is this Ampere's law? I will write here. Ampere's law क्या बोलता है देखिए. So the line integral of okay magnetic field B, okay, over a closed loop, यानी कि लेंथ dl is equals to how much? So it is equals to mu naught times of I total. So ये आपको law है. So we have to derive this law. What is this law? Okay. So this is what law statement. The line integral of magnetic field over any closed loop, यानी कि इन एक लूप के अंदर जितना मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होगा वो किसको प्रोपोर्शनल है? म्यू नॉट टाइम्स ऑफ आई को प्रोपोर्शनल होंगे. ओके ना. सो विल डिस्कस हियर एज लाइक स्टेटमेंट. सी, आपके पास यहाँ पे एक करंट कैरिंग वायर है. सो करंट इज आई. इट विल प्रोड्यूस सम लूप लाइक दिस. ओके ना. सो लाइक दिस loop. So this is what, when the I is from A to B, current is from this direction. Magnetic field will be anti-clockwise direction like this. So this is the direction of flow of magnetic field. It will form such loop. Okay. So magnetic field is proportional to what? The total magnetic field is equals to I. Okay, ultimately how much current is there, that much will be the I. So there is another characteristics property of this field is, when current passes through some medium के अंदर जाता है तो टोटल यानी कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ टोटल इज इक्वल्स टू म्यू नॉट टाइम्स ऑफ I. ओके, म्यू नॉट, दिस इज व्हाट, म्यू नॉट इज इक्वल्स टू, आपको पता है 4 पाई इंटू 10⁻⁷. ओके ना. सो म्यू नॉट इंटू आई आपको क्या देगा? हाउ मच द करेंट इज पासिंग इन ए मीडियम एज ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, इन फ्री स्पेस. ओके, सो आपको पता है कि हाउ मच मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी, or how much magnetic field strength will be distributed. Suppose I will say here 10 Tesla. Okay, so at each point 1 it will has total length over this total magnetic field. So we can say B is equals to total divided by, that means magnetic field total divided by total length. It forms some loop of length this much, like this, next like this. So this is called total magnetic field divided by total length. So therefore total length into B करो, B into total length is equals to B magnetic field total. Okay, so therefore B into DL, यानी कि टोटल लेंथ कितना है ओवर ए close loop dl. Okay, so if you find out any magnetic field due to all length, you have to integrate. Okay, integrate over dl. So therefore dl is equals to B total or B net. Therefore total B dot dl यानी कि magnetic field due to all the current elements of this loop, any loop of any size, is equals to B total. Initially this is how much? Mu naught into I. So this is a Ampere's circuit law. This is a Ampere's circuit law. Okay. Next is you have to find out another application, that is Ampere's law, magnetic field due to infinite current carrying wire. Okay, I will write here shortly. Magnetic field due to infinite current carrying wire. Okay, so we have to find out magnetic field. Okay, infinite carrying wire बोले तो, so we'll have here one diagram. Listen, like this. Okay, make it some loop here. So this loop is called as Amperian loop. Okay, so this is current carrying conductor I. Okay, so here to here how much distance? Make it here R. Okay, magnetic field is generated. Okay, due to small element dl. Okay, if you integrate all over length, we will get total magnetic field due to a closed loop, that is Ampere's law. Okay, so we have to find out here integration of B dot dl. Okay, how much magnetic field will distributed from this circuit. Okay, यानी इनफाइनाइट लॉन्ग कैरिंग कंडक्टर है. तो देखिए, so we have to find out how much it is. Okay, ये आपको फाइंड आउट करने का है. Therefore this is equals to आपको टोटल लेंथ यानी कि इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ टोटल लेंथ अगर से कंसिडर करें तो 2 पाई आर आएगा आपको, यानी कि टोटल लेंथ, एक लेंथ और ए टोटल लेंथ 2 पाई आर. ओके, पुट हियर हाउ मच b dot 2 pi r, that is integration of b dot dl is equals to, that means integration dot bl is equals to b into 2 pi r. ओके ना. सो आपको ये मिला. तो I टोटल कितना है फाइंड आउट करो. सो I total is equals to I. Okay, from this Ampere's loop you have to find out what is the magnetic field. Okay, so I total कितना है? It is almost all proportional to I only. Therefore from Ampere's law, therefore B dot dl is equals to mu naught I total. Okay ना. Therefore B dot कितना है due to a closed loop, that is 2 pi r. Therefore 2 pi r is equals to mu naught into I. Therefore B, how much magnetic field is, how much? Therefore mu naught I divided by 2 pi r. Okay ना. This is what your total magnetic field आएगा. So next, that means B total, B dot dl. Okay na. So you have to make here, concentrate here what is the length of each Amperian loop. Okay na. So we will have this. Okay, Ampere's law, that is a due to the magnetic field of infinite current carrying conductor. Okay, fine.